Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the AquaRite electric salt chlorination system from Hayward. The specific model is AQR15. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based on my experience, and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention actually real quick too that I actually found a pretty good deal on it, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I kind of questioned actually doing a review on this unit because if you're looking for an electric salt chlorination system, this is the one that everybody and their brother recommends. It's kind of the gold standard for electronic salt chlorination systems. There's really no other competition out there. If you want one, this is the one to get, period, hands down. After doing really weeks of research, this is the one that you'll see that everybody recommends. They make 3 sizes of it. It's all the exact same unit. You just basically get it for whatever pool size you need. And if you're in between, either round up or down, but tend to round up, like for example, they make a 15,000 gallon, a 25,000 gallon, and a 40,000 gallon. If you're at like 30,000 gallons, you're right in between. I'd probably go with the 40,000 gallon unit. If you're above 35,000, definitely go with the 40,000 gallon. But if you're like at 27,000, you'd be fine with the 25,000 gallon, if that clears that up. So why would somebody want this unit if you're not familiar with what this thing actually does? Basically what it does is it's a chlorine alternative. Basically a saltwater system for your pool. The advantages of this is, for one, it's much more efficient. You're going to go through about 50% less chemical. So in terms of cost, it does actually save you quite a bit of money in the long run. But the biggest difference is the feel of the water. You get kind of, it's hard to explain, but you get this real silky, smooth water. You won't get any irritation on your skin. It won't bleach your suit or your clothing or your hair or fingernails. A lot of women like it because their fingernails won't get brittle. Your hair won't get brittle if you're in the pool a lot. It's just night and day, and it's a big difference. In my opinion, if you have a pool, there's really no reason why every pool in the world shouldn't have this type of system over chlorine. Another nice thing about this system is everything is done automatically. It uses very, very little amounts of just ordinary salt, and it controls and produces the salt all automatically, so you never have to worry about having the right kind of chlorine levels or anything like that anymore. It just does it all for you. If you have a semi-large pool, this thing will pay for itself in probably about 2 to 3 years, and in the meantime you're going to have the best feeling pool water that you've really ever experienced. So to me, it's like I said, it's kind of a no-brainer. Everybody who has a big in-ground pool, or really any in-ground pool, should really use this type of system. And I should mention too that I'm not affiliated with Hayward in any way. They're not paying me anything to say this. This is just my own opinion on anything. But yeah, anyway, extremely happy with it. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.